I made these sales by using this new free traffic source. Okay guys, today I'm going to show you a new social media that for some reason nobody is using for affiliate marketing. And because it is new, that means there is almost no competition and you can easily get lots of free traffic. So this is what I did, so pay close attention. So first thing I did, I went on that social media, on that new social media, and I created a theme page. In my case, it was theme page devoted to men. So next thing I did, I actually created a blog, again, devoted to men. And here you can see how that blog actually looks. Here you can see these are all articles devoted to men. So next thing I did, I actually needed to find a product that is related to men. So what I did, I actually went on CB Snooper. Why? Because I wanted to do a research. I wanted to find a best product related to men. So what I did, I actually clicked here on raising products because I wish to find products that are currently raising, products that are currently trending. In one of my previous videos, I actually explained to you why trending products are so important, because it is really easy to sell them. It is really easy way to make money online. So here I went through all of these products. Here you can see there is more than 5 pages of these products, and I found a good product related to men. So that product is actually Prostadine. And when I click here I can get more information about this product. Here you can see gravity is 148. Now that is a good gravity. Here you can see 6 months ago it was almost 400. Here you can see overall rank is 19. I can earn $128 per sale on average. Here you can see overall ranking is actually growing. Gravity is slowly going down, but that doesn't matter because, like I said, ranking is going up. Here you can see initial earnings per sale, average earnings per sale, and so on. So what I needed to do, I actually needed to go on Clickbank and find these products. So I will simply copy this. And then I went on Clickbank, and then I went here on Marketplace, and then what I did, I actually clicked here on health and fitness because I'm guessing that this product is in health and fitness. And here I can find that product. So I will simply click here on search, and I'm going to find that product. Okay, and here you can see Prostadine. $129 per sale on average I can make. And here you can see some more information. They actually have upsells. They also have physical product, but it is one-time payment, which is actually not that good. I actually like products that have recurring commission. So what I did, I simply clicked here on promote, and I applied for approval, and I got my affiliate link. Now, next thing I did, I actually needed to write a high quality, high value article. Now that is really important. You must write a high value article, okay? You should not write a review of this product. You should not pitch this product. Just write as best, as useful as possible article, okay? So what I did, this is what I did to make my job easier. I actually went on chatgpt, and then here I said something like this: write me a high quality article with headline, prostate examination is uncomfortable, but is it painful? In one of my previous videos, I told you that title must be a question, but also it should be a bit of controversial. Now this is a controversial question. Here you can see, we know it is uncomfortable, but is it painful? Now why I actually choose this product? Because most of my followers on this new social media are middle-aged men, and middle-aged men do have problem with prostate. Thankfully, I don't. Okay, so like I said, I told ChatGPT to write me this article, and ChatGPT wrote that article. Here you can see this is a good article, but I didn't simply copy and paste this article. I actually rewrote this article and give it even more value. I gave some numbers, I gave some facts, I gave even more information. Like I said, it is really important to provide high value. And I didn't pitch this product. I just mentioned this product in one sentence, and I added my affiliate link in just one place in this entire article, okay? And then I simply published this article on my blog. And then I actually went on that new social media, and that new social media is Threads by Instagram. And here you can see I have 33,000, more than 33,000 followers here. And like I said, there is almost no competition, so this page is growing fast. And here you can see I'm actually making man-related posts and I'm getting a good engagement. And I'm getting lots of likes, lots of comments, lots of shares. And I'm sharing articles from my blog and I'm driving traffic, free traffic from Threads to my blog. And like I said, because this is a bit of controversial title and it is a question, I actually get a lots of clicks. I'm getting lots of visits from Threads, totally free. And because I provided a high value, people start clicking on it because they wanted to read, because it is actually a controversial title. But because it is a high value article, they start sharing that with their own friends and family, trying to help them as well. And I actually start getting a lots and lots of free traffic from Threads. And this is my Google Analytics account, and here you can see organic social Threads. I actually got 1,600 visits from Threads, totally free. Those people made 1,600 sessions and I actually got those totally free. And I'm sending traffic since then. I start publishing articles regularly and I start promoting different kind of products related to men in this page. And I'm actually starting to get more and more traffic from Threads, totally free. And that is exactly what you need to do. You need to go on Threads and you need to create a theme page in your own niche, and you need to start growing that page because there is almost no competition. You can easily grow that page. As you saw, I already have 33,000 followers, and in just a month or two, I will actually reach 50,000 followers, and I will be getting even more free traffic, and I will be making even more money with affiliate marketing because from these 1,600 people, I actually made those few sales. And I will continue sending traffic, which means I will be making even more money from affiliate marketing and also from Threads and getting free traffic. So you need to do exactly the same thing. And that is how I actually made these sales totally free.
That's it for today, guys. If you wish to see more ways to make money online, make sure to subscribe to my channel and also don't forget to like this video. And also on your right side you can see more videos that you can watch on YouTube that may help you to make money online.